This video is for the burnt out girlies who are ready to reclaim their peace. Are you ready to become a priority in your life? Are you ready to let go of the unhealthy habits keeping you from your goals? Are you ready to be in your well nourished era, being a well nourished woman? Well, I'm Brittany and I'm happy to teach you just how to do that. And I'm going to do that for you in my 90-day Well Nourished Era series, where I help women organize their lives and wellness plans so that they can live a well nourished life and enter their well nourished season. Make sure you hit that follow button, comment below, tag a friend, say, "Girl, let's do this," and dedicate the next 90 days to you, to pouring into you, prioritizing you. And if you're an action taker girly and you're like, "Girl, I don't know if I can wait 90 days," I want you to go to my profile and take the Bounce Back from Burnout class, where you will learn how to bounce back from burnout for good and to start living in that well nourished era right now. You'll get an amazing bundle that will help you with your health and wellness goals. We'll even teach you how to organize for success, how to keep and maintain your motivation, and so many other things. So make sure you're following. Go ahead and check that Bounce Back from Burnout class. And I can't wait to see you.